which is called FootballSPORT.finance, which is FootballSport is the first football token on the Ethereum network, of course. So I think we can start with showing you the page. So below we got all the social media of the project, which is Twitter, Telegram, Medium, and Reddit. So that's it. Then we got powered by Ethereum, of course, exchanges that will list on Hotbit, MXC, OKEX, BKEX, Uniswap, and Probit. FootballSport builds a premier ecosystem on the Ethereum network. The Ethereum network is one of the strongest blockchains, with the majority of large cap projects being developed over the years. FootballSport aims to continue to apply the Ethereum ecosystem to develop and bring the crypto community the most exciting and attractive playground. So that's interesting. Game, NFT, stake and farming, all about the project, of course. Economics and sale. Economics, here we got total supply, which is 100 million. Premier sale, 30%. Public sale, 12%. Developer platform, 15%. Team founder, 12%, of course, too. Marketing and advisors, 13.5%. Partnership, 10%, and liquidity at the end, which is 7.5%. Next we have token sale, of course premier sale and public sale. All the information about it, of course, like price, minimum contribution, maximum contribution, soft cap, hard cap, start date, end date, and release. And you can compare all of these values between premier sale and public sale, of course. So let's go on. Here we got the video of the project, some other videos, of course. Our support: security, information security, safe without damage, update protection anytime, trust, providing the largest liquidity in the market, good users reviews, a great product experience, service, global best, widest range of products, best of choices for users. So that's good to hear about the project that is professional. Some values about the average deposit time, average withdrawal time, liquidity partner, variety of bets. Above we got roadmap, which I've showed you, white paper, all the details about the project, audits, two of them, sport and FBF channel. For example, we can also visit the page, one of the social medias, for example, maybe Twitter. So here we got Twitter, which is followed by over 5,000 people. So that's cool. And here you got any information you want and all the updates, and that's about it. So I think you should definitely follow the Twitter if you want to be updated about any information and news about the project. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!